Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to an IVS homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a higher mathematics class of class 9. Our today's topic is exercise 1.1 question 10. Okay dear students, let us see what is question 10 today. Dear students, our today's topic exercise 1.1 question 10. This means proposition 3 question 2. In proposition 3 you will see two questions. Proposition 3. What is proposition 3? Proposition 3. For any sets A, B and C, we have first one, that is A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. It means Cartesian product of A and B intersection C is equal to Cartesian product of A and B intersection Cartesian product of A and C. This is first statement, and second statement is A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. This is proposition 3. This is proposition 3. This statement 2 is given in exercise 1.1 question 10. This is exercise 1.1 question 10, and this one is done in your book. This one is done for you in your book at page 10. Proof of first one. This is given here. The proof of the first one is given here. Okay dear students, so we will not prove the first one of proposition 3, we will prove second one. Second one is given as question 10 of exercise 1.1. So this one I will solve in this class, and for this I have written here. This is question 10 from exercise 1.1, and as this one is done for you, you will do this one as your homework. For this I have written here. Proposition 3 statement 1 is given for your homework. For any sets A, B and C, statement 1 you have to do as your homework. This is A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Follow your book page 10 and solve this one as your homework. Okay dear students, but now I will show the proof of the second one. It means question 10. Okay, see the proof of the second one. It means second statement of proposition 3. Now, solution. The students, what is given in the left hand side? Left hand side is A cross B union C. As here is cross, B union C is a set and A is another set, and here is a cross sign. As here is cross, this is Cartesian product. This is Cartesian product. Dear students, you know the definition of Cartesian product, that is A cross B. A Cartesian product B. We can say A cross B means set of all ordered pair of X and Y. Set of all ordered pair of X and Y. It means elements of this set must be ordered pair, whose first element is X and second element is Y, such that X belongs to A. We have to take X from the set A and Y belongs to B. Y belongs to set B. It means that X is contained in A, Y is contained in B. In this case, we will get the ordered pair of X and Y. All the elements of this Cartesian product will be ordered pair of x and y. So, we can write according to the definition of Cartesian product. According to the definition of Cartesian product. So, we can write here according to definition, according to the definition. According to the definition, we can write here A cross B union C will be equal to the set of all x, y. It means set of all ordered pairs such that x will come from set A. It means x is contained in A and y is contained in B union C. Y is contained in B union C. So, we can write here x is set of all ordered pair x and y such that x is contained in A, y is contained in B, as here is union and here you are looking here belongs to or element. In case of element, if it is union, we have to write here or. If it is intersection, we have to write here and. So, we can write here or. Y is contained in C. So, expanding this, now we can write when x is contained in A, y is contained in B, or when x is contained in A, y is contained in C. So, we can write this expanding x set of all ordered pair x of x and y such that x is contained in A, y is contained in B. We will write here or. When x is contained in A, then y is contained in C. Okay, dear students. So, we can write here x comma y is contained in A cross B. X comma y is contained in A cross B. So, we can write here x comma y is contained in A cross B. Here is or, write here or. Again, x is contained in A, comma y is contained B. What does it mean? It means that x comma y is contained in ordered pair x, y is contained in A cross C. So, we can write here set of all x comma y such that x comma y is contained in A cross B, as here is belongs to or element and here is or. We can write here union A cross C. Dear students, if you notice that xy is the element of this set, it means left hand side, but now we are looking that xy is the element of right hand side. So, we can say left hand side is a subset of right hand side. So, we can say here A cross B union C is a subset of A cross B union A cross C. Now, conversely, if we take at first right hand side, we will get left hand side as subset of right hand side. Okay. So, we can show now here conversely. Conversely, we can show. I am doing here. Now, see, I am doing in this portion. Again, again we can write here. What is the right hand side? Right hand side is A cross B union A cross C. So, according to the definition of Cartesian product, all of these two sets are the Cartesian product set. So, their elements will be ordered pair. So, we will get here set of all x comma y such that x comma y belongs to A cross B. As here is union, we can write OR here. X comma y belongs to A cross C. So, expanding this, now we can write x comma y such that x belongs to A. A cross B means x belongs to A, y belongs to B. As here is OR, we can write OR. X belongs to xy belongs to A cross C means x belongs to A, or x is contained in A, y is contained in C. So now if we consider x is contained in A, x is contained in A, x is contained in A, when y is contained in B or y is contained in C. So we can write this set of all x, y such that x is contained in A, y is contained in B, here is OR, so we can use here union, B union C. So if we take here set of all x, y, it means set of all ordered pair of x and y such that xy belongs to A cross B union C. So I have taken the right hand side. So x, y, ordered pair xy is the member of right hand side, but I have shown that that is the member of left hand side. What does it mean? It means that right hand side is also a subset of left hand side. So we can write here, therefore A cross B union A cross C is a subset of A cross B union C. So I have shown here left hand side is a subset of right hand side, and conversely I have shown that right hand side is also a subset of left hand side. So we can say both sides contain the same elements. It means that both sides are equal. So we can write here, therefore left hand side means A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. Okay dear students, I hope you have understood how to solve this type of question depending on today's lecture, and following your solution, following your book, you can see the solution of first one of proposition 1, first statement of proposition 1. Do this as your homework and submit your homework on next Saturday on school campus. Okay dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe, see you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.